Hey you guys, Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. So season's changing, winter's coming. What does that mean? That means snow, that means mud. So this week's product review is going to be on floor mats. So inside my rig here, I've got a set of the Huskies in the front and the middle. You know, they're great if you guys get mud on your feet, you guys get snow, you get water. You can remove them, you can rinse them out. And the best thing is if you guys don't have a good set of floor mats in here, or if you guys have got the factory carpeted ones, if you spill on them, you can get that mold or that mildew smell. You don't have to worry about that with these Husky liners. Super easy to install and remove. If you have kids, it's a great option to have them as well. Helps to keep any kind of bottles or drinks or food off of it too. So, all right. So, like I said earlier, with winter, you guys, we're going to be getting some snow. We're going to get some rain. We're going to get some mud. The floor mats that we've got inside this JK here are the Husky liners. These things work amazing. As you guys can see, it's got some built-up walls that are up on here, so that way if you guys do track in mud or snow, you don't have to worry about it getting it all over your carpet. Or let's say that you got a cup of coffee, right? And you just happen to, look at that. That is not all over your carpet, that is on your floor mat. And I'm gonna show you guys here, obviously removing this, just pull it up. Pull that right out. And let's dump it over here. And you can dump it out. So obviously these things being rubber here, you guys can rinse these things off with a hose and then pop them right back inside the Jeep. They do have the little divots here to go ahead and put them back in those factory locations. So, all right, so if you guys are in the market for a good set of floor liners, you can pick them up on our website. It's summit4x4company.com, or you can swing in the shop. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street here in Prescott. Thanks, you guys.